Hi everyone, Lori here of Art Lover Studio. So this is a way of making a hole jig that stays in place. So I made this little hook so it serves this. So this is your one of the sections from your book. So these are called the sections. So these are groupings of sheets of paper that you stack together. So to make a hole, and to make sure that hole jig doesn't slide. This is just an old cereal box, because sometimes if you have just a plain piece of cardboard, it sometimes goes up and down or it slides off. So I've made that hook right there, so you can just flush your book section towards that hook and forget about being centered or not having to worry that it slips out. So this way it's easier to make that hole, and it stays steady and everything stays flushed on that side. So to make it, so this is just an old cereal box that I cut. So make sure it's the same size as your pages. So this one is for an A6 one. So you just flush it right there. And I like to reinforce this hook by adding another piece of cardboard that I can trim. So this one creates a little bit of a ridge that makes it even more steady. And then you make all the holes you need. And there you go. So this is how to make a hole jig that stays in place. Thank you for watching.